Hey, my Access to Grow family, Camille here. Wanted to encourage you, for those who have not yet started their e-commerce business, it's time to start. Look around the world and you can tell that everything is on hybrid, right? We want to be able to stand firm online and start in our business. So if you haven't started yet, I will say go ahead and start your e-commerce business. Get your products and services out there. Don't get too caught up and distracted in all these different noise around you. Stay focused. Do not let them distract you. Put your product and service out there. Promote to the best of your ability. Use the right proper keywords, right? Use the right hashtags, right? When you're promoting a product, you want to be able to show up confident, because if you don't, then no one is going to trust you. No, people can see right through you. So when you're going out there and when you're marketing your product, you have to build that confidence and go out there and continue to strive. Let me tell you something. God put us here on earth to create, just like he created heaven and earth. Remember, he made us in his own image. Therefore, we should be able to go out there and produce, right? He also declares we shall eat the fruits of our labor. So if you're someone out here, I'm not saying anything is wrong with the 9 to 5. All of us have to work it, but it's always good to have plan B or something on the side. So what I am doing today, encouraging you to go out there and produce. If you have your side hustle, continue to grow it faithfully, gracefully, but don't give up, right? Because sometimes we have this thing where we get caught up in the distraction and the noise and all these different things around us. But if you focus on your intention, you will see the transformation if you focus on it, right? So I just wanted to leave you with that word of encouragement. Your girl here, Camille Thompson, and thank you for being a part of the Access to Grow e-commerce hub. Take care now. Bye.